Guys, make I tell you something. You see the whole genesis of this whole stupid thing. It's because yes, I can music industry. I can't why Ghana music they don't pay. Hey, what kind of nonsense was this? Me, my classmates, some of them they finish IPMC. We finish SS. Some of them put your sack on here. Amuda, if people want to know Amuda, ask Amuda say how you know Shatta Wale. Man, turn up. You understand me? I turn up. Hey, me. The moment somebody go see I'm like, if you at the play, yes, it be music, entertainment. Yes, oh, it's beautiful. Yes, but let's keep that respect. You understand me? Let's keep that respect. Forget everything. You go Senegal pass me. Let's keep that respect. You travel go Burkina Faso like. Let's keep that respect. And they tell you people something. Make nobody see the thing like the thing be play. If you play thing way. Oh no, but this one be joke. What be joke? I dey do my work then every day. If I did then if I open Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. There's somebody do blog, there's somebody talk this, there's somebody talk that. And we get old men for the country. Did they watch? Did they watch? They say, I was there, Shatta or not. Why not catch us? What's the genesis of the story? No? If any old person, where they tell, say, me, the way I talk, the way it be me now do, that old person, the pussy. Because you don't find out the genesis of this whole bullshit. Say anytime we man dey. Then Shatta there he craze. Me and with their craze. Yeah. Make nobody see this thing like this and do like if they take play or something. That stupidness, for Ghana, if for stop. Why did he that do now? Go catch him and do it. That stupidness for Ghana, if for stop. That stupidness, it is stupid life. It is stupid life if you stop. It is kwasiasen. So you people don't look for the genesis of things where they jump into it be kwasiasen. You don't know me, say you don't know me. You understand me? You don't know me, say you don't know me. But don't just come there. So you see, you know, say, I wear my diamond ring, my ear, you know, this is my color. Me, I be that about boy. But me, I leave the house where I come street. You know how they slap me for street? Go ask my mates, me and them go school for winning second at Tiboli. Go ask me, I guess squad. Go ask them. You know the slaps where I chop where I can't stand here. You know the fight where man can't stand here. You know the things where man do where man can't stand here. Put there and you see all those people if stupid Akwasi Aboagye and stupid and they just see them when they do news. Then some other junior bench players where they know they get seller for the entertainment inside. They need to wake up. They need to go to write the story. They need to they talk. They say Shatta Wale, hey, move bro. You understand me? Because you see the boy they see for here. You see me they see for here. Me government, no help me to catch here. Tell government, say me, government, no help me to catch here. Government don't give me money, make I take build my career. If my brains, we have to build this shit. That's why I'm too bold on it. That's why I'm too bold on it. Because nothing there where we the benefit for Ghana music as artists. And the artists too, they sit down when they talk, they say, me are the one use them do shine. Me are the one. How can artists you think there? Then you think of iTunes, Audio Mac, all those platforms, and you no go think of some for your country. Make it benefit you because in future, you know, no say your kid go figure and say he won't do music. Oh man. Fucked up country, my nigga. It's a fucked up country, my nigga. It be real fucked up country. You understand me? And when I talk, there's somebody, some stupid people, where they know if you crack them, my brain make money. They know can them. But while you alone, you talk about unity, and then you come in. Because Charlie, I've said it several times, and they're not even reasoning up to it to see that no, what this guy is saying, it's about time we listen and follow this thing. Wake up and won't fly and go play show, then do like they do something, or in the name of I want to make my fans see say me, my fans no say I know the fake. Oh, me, my fans, they no say I know the fake, nigga. I don't fucking fake. What I go fake for? Who I want fake? Me I be too original, so I don't know who I go even fake. I be too original as I stand there. Forget everything. What are you talking about? Make I can't fake my fans do what? So because right now, me and some flex and some people go do meeting. For my shaxi way we come here right now. We go do meeting. We tomorrow be Tabia, my father in birthday, so we won't see I won't celebrate them. Big man thing. You hear what I'm saying? Yeah. Don't come JJ, then you won't come talk about Shatta Wale in any way. Nigga, you guys are fucking fooling yourselves. Cause I write this thing for Facebook. I don't know. Shatta movement, any of you where you go get that I write, say me, I finished the school. You see the music school for Ghana? I finish. Nobody tell me, say, Shatta, if you get money, hold them small, save them small, buy house, buy this, buy that, do business. Nobody tell me. Even me, I get plan. If somebody wants to start music right now, God bless the person. Make the person also get plan. So say, you go fit do in things where you want to do. Make no one can do what Shatta Wale do. Cause me as I come the industry inside. So nonsense. Nonsense. Nigga, make people stop the play for that Ghana there. You understand me? Make people stop the play for there. Man pass through things. You understand me? Man pass through things. So and the way I pass through things, sometimes when I won't make fun, make we all they laugh. Sometimes when I did Twitter way, I did Twitter. Some boys they tweet them. They saw my fans will tell me, oh no, this people they know they are. No, everyone is important. Twitter, if I go there, I just want to make people laugh. Because people stress for that. Master, no be play to me, I work hard for my shit. I get godfathers where they train me to this level where my adhere and I get godfathers. Don't see me like that. I get fathers, godfathers where they there. Yeah, me I no care. Say you be carpenter or you be mason. So far as you can be positive with me, there is something I can learn from you quickly. Plenty of the things, Ghana artists, they know they feel learn this thing. Because then they see them on fans like them on fans, they don't be nobody. So they know if you get chance like this and even communicate to their fans like this when they are worried. When I'm worried, I have fucking friends who are fans. I don't need no close friend around me. My fans where they support me outside. They love me past friends when they come around me. You probably not see the Steves says that they come London this time. No friend. What the fuck? You guys know what I've seen? If they tell friend this, friend who won't tell you this. You can't be my friend, you be in your lane. Nigga, I want to make that bags. I want to hold those bags. I want to make those millions of dollars. I'm telling you. So if no one hold $1 million, $1 billion, don't come and be talking to me. Yeah, me I be very me. See, me and you go visit time, we go to communicate, When you see the communication, go say, I don't go talk one sense. Because if the communication with the way sense no there is no way I will put in my wisdom. I mean, they talk communication with business there, with money there. There you go see. See, Shatta Wale, I get respect too much for certain things. I don't waste time. You understand me? Put the free day Ghana. Then you watch radio, TV, everybody. Then today, Shatta Wale has done it. Today, Shatta Wale has done it. Today, Shatta Wale, and nobody does. Charlie. But if you don't get anything toxic, sack out here they do something. Your Stone Boy, they do something. Your wine they do something. Your artists, they do something. Don't you think that you are fucking up what is called media? Why don't you use the same energy and promote yourself out here? Make you go where you go. Because me, I don't need you people. The foolish Akwasi Aboagye, where there's somebody who is well respected in company, despite you don't watch this thing every time, every day for your station, or they know they tell you. There's somebody one can do like, oh, they be big man. Hey, me I see big man already. My father be big man for my life before I come straight to. So if you big man, if you get money where you don't know how to control things, then you can't be a big man in front of me. Forget. Big man what? Why you big man before your family? You big man for your family. Or you don't know. You big man for your family. So like nobody can tell me anything, say. And so no, see, nobody go fit tell me anything. If those Father Dixons they sit there and they watch a stupid man call up Akwasi Aboagye, where they talk stupid for radio. Can't take there, can't they do forget everything. It is something where make something where me and you people come this world. If you know say I tell my father say like I won't be a musician. Nigga, I was in this fucking London at the age of 13 years. My girl come, me and my girl come. I mean, I did work for corners. Inside they seem like, I didn't know then only ma. Me a couple. Me research. You know my friends where you know my friends where they day here. Me my friends where they don't do music. My friends where they don't do music. No see her like that. Don't see her like that at all. Don't think I'm your playmate. If you say got something, where make something, where I can they do music. Where then, as I come then, guys, make I tell you something. You see the whole genesis of this whole stupid thing. It's because me as I come music industry, I can't why Ghana music they don't pay. Hey, what kind of nonsense work be this? Meanwhile, me, my classmates, some of them they finish IPMC. We finish SS, some of them go to IPMC course, some of them even enter university and things. I see some of them they work. For shop, they pay them shop, normal shop. For circle, some of them they work for to do area there. Some of them, yes, they get shop too. So some business, they pay them. But music, star. Oh, you know you they up. Yeah, you know if you tell us anything. That be how they talk. Hey, come on, why this boy? I didn't quite on board there now. What about a person on charge? I never blacklist, you know. Because I said, hey, small boy, Shatta, you know if you bandana, you know if you do those things, no, come on, why are you talking? Yeah, we don't. Hey, you with the play a song for radio, they won't come talk to you anyhow. Hey, Akwasi Aboagye, you might be check. Nipa na on play, despite any people. Trust me, if you go keep somebody like this. And you put the Ghana as big men for Ghana. Forget it. Me, I forget that big man. You put up my big man. See, then I see some motivation. But I say, my worry no be your worry because I know be your picking. And when you're picking, when somebody they worry now I go stand up. But I see because I know be your picking. So as Akwasi Aboagye they do, Moon say, oh yeah, Obia what peace FM, Biani, whatever, Biani and Kwasia for. No apology. No apology. I didn't repeat myself, no apology. Forget to be yourself. You see me, my songs I play for Ghana forever and ever. When I play, the boys they go hold down, girls go hold down. You say your girl they take twerk. Do you know what they used for Ghana 1 year? Ghana youth they tire. Ghana youth, make I tell you, see Ghana the youth tire. If they say youth. No be those people where they chop 50 they go. They not be youth. They be kaput. Them they grow. Them a time pass. Forget when your time go. Age 50, you won't go jogging. Age 50, you won't fuck 10 rounds. Abba. At age 50, At age 50, you won't feel like you be 19. Abba. If you work hard where you get them at age 50, you relax. And some if you get kiddy, you give the baton to him, make it to Iran. That is life. Akwasi Aboagye, at your age, I'm sure you don't even want them to employ no Legon student to come and continue your program because that be any there into which person unye bibi na sustaining well na make catch your hair say despite na employer well despite kombu ni aye Jimmy say why employer obi a would say we Jimmy say wo ye niama me ka de bia opini bia ntimi ka say na akwa no why o de but say sakode wo say stombo wo ade na ade bia Shatta Wale opini bia ni obeka nya sasa achemu Jimmy Akwasi Asem my people, you don't know to watch me. Hey, me forget to. Not the big man where you get on you. Big man where you get sense, where you get wisdom. That be a big man I'll follow. Forget. What you mean? We retire, we have to tell you. You know big man. Yansani, go bandana to Shatta Wale. No big man give me that sense to rebrand my name. No big man give me that money. So take all. Buy house, buy car, do business, help people, sort out, invest, buy share. May I tell you, Shatta Wale, may I tell you something. When you did the way you put immediate for inside, you can't make it. Wake up from that fear. That fear is what is killing plenty people in Ghana. Wake up from that fear. Wake up from that fear. Because Ghana, Ghana, the country, they say I'm too like this. The Jimmy people, they plenty rough. So when you don't take care, you join a Jimmy gang. Unyasikada. No, I know it tell you 34. No, it 40, 45. I've been able to say, Chalafin, I say, Nipanya word. So me baby, I'm a shame. Sa junior neo. Me met me be ache. Me nyama me met me ache. Now I'm starting like you. What do you mean? You think we came here to worship Matthew Atkins? You think we came here to come and do fine boy and I be nice and I know how to dress? But you don't see where I gang up. Or if you say if I work like this one London, you know how many boys where go they go like my friend? You know how many people where they go like this, you know, this be bossy. And they can't do one can show the youth since way you know be important. If me I can't do show where I collect money. If you say the government way you give me money. If you say the show I can't do right. I love if it's if government they support I'm like I know can talk this nonsense. But in Penny 4, St. Penny 4 was at Peace FM, UTV only now. What Jimmy say, sa UTV, Peace FM, sa Lit FM, sa Munkom. What Jimmy? Cause my family say media inti mu betuma kan bibiabi. Media inti betuma kan bibiabi. Akwasi Aboagye nyama wachem amudi tititi ho a ono ne hwe no kwasia. Come, me. Most of you there. I go fi employ you. Most of you there. I go fi employ you. Jimmy, I know you am. How much your salary? When you want to talk about somebody where they pay, the first time where they say they pay, but what be 80,000? So 80,000 man. Oh boy, I need 80,000. Oyeni, Jimmy, Oyeni. Tell me, oh boy. Oyeni kwasia. Oyeni on no more. Oyeni on patcho say, mpacho cheme kwa no na me sumi mfaso. Me mba live me cheme me ka cheme fans say obi enko wia ana obi enko medicine ana obi baby me ba me ka cheme fans say nyame se umredu a na obi hu nyame so umredu a people dey say if people they say somebody where they do this thing, or you know the fear, like you know the fear. Say this is the only boy where you people no expect when you Beyonce do song. You know the fear. Say this is the only boy where you play song for radio. But if you feel a quite small stadium, your artists, your artists upon artists where people get. Right now, people they want plan. You want plan do something, challenge me to for do some because this boy could disgrace us. Master, me my pastor adi no hu. Enti de mu ye no, ena me se mo jimi no. Ghana music, media, entertainment, on whatever you people call yourself. Mo jimi pa. Mo jimi minimudin. Kwame Dazi, Akwasi Aboagye. So mudi this go for mbo guitar. Kwasia fo and the dusty. So obia the honor of party band no be see yo na yembo. Alex now obia all be winning. Asia if be me, if you say Ola Michael, you go change issue. If it be me, you will say like, and you know if it not be me, you will say like Ola Michael and that guy. And Akwasi Aboagye, you will say like go change issue. If it not be me, when we talk about shoe, because they no get father way they wear good shoe. My boy, the time I chop like 12, 13, my father in shoe they wear alone be 12,000 pounds. My father, the time I be kidding, that be the things I dey hear. That be the receipt I dey see. If my father he wear shoe, if he wear shoe 15,000 pounds. I told me boy, big man. Yeah, he told me big man. Which big man? You know who Mr. Chancellor be? You know who my father be? Yeah, me. People wake up and want to do like go ask the artist, go ask and say my father the white shoe 12,000. This thing before. See this set before. What Jimmy Keke? No person who can put one cent. And nobody they advise you people. Like you people they do the thing and they watch. Kojo Shadin they do this thing for internet and they watch them and say, Kojo Shadin, oh wow. So as they do this thing or where are they right? Ghana police they say Oboga bonus or Kobunu Bena Kochino. And come chin. Like Jimmy no. Which country be this? Like you people say you are here to protect Ghana police. You people say you are here to protect the people, protect and serve. If you are, so they protect somebody. So if you the guard president's house, where somebody they jump the wall come inside, you want to make the person enter the president's room and attack him before you police you go wake up. President, where people go figure that. Don't worry, go guard one. I said we will not even need Ghana guarding. But now we the Ghana, we got one ourselves for forget. Here they tell you. Don't sound like the way protesters can do. Here they tell you, if you say protesters can do, hey, we want, no, please, no. We are dying. We are hungry. We are hungry. You protesters, maybe they go protesters, say, maybe they sing, maybe, go, maybe, then for we are going to the porridge. We are going to the because the protesting they put respect for your front. We are going to the porridge. We are going to the porridge. Everybody, every protesters. You say I want the cocoa. Don't sound like that. When you come, then protesters way before she jama pete say no what they say no. Then come there pete. Say no one there and there. Say no one pere. Say no one there and there. Say no mommy fret. Your mother is calling. Say no one there and there. Your father is calling. Some protesters like that. Where people they get. So people if you say Ghana will not get protesters. If the real protesters come out, then you go see say protesters, go see protesters, and protesters go call them a protesters, and protesters go call them a protesters, and protesters will see protesters, and protesters go run away. Yeah, serious. So I was saying, they tell that foolish Peace FM and Hit FM and whatever. When they tell them, you understand me? That's right. Father, this thing, the thing catch my ear. So right now, I go see people like my boys. The thing catch my ear. None of you, my father, nor my mother, to come and torment my life. Your money, you don't go take go heavy. So when man they talk wisdom, make man get wisdom. Stop that nonsense thing. This guy they see for maybe somebody where just come here like this. So I pass somewhere. We are pass somewhere. We are pass somewhere. We are pass somewhere that I can catch here. Don't see her like I get time better. Don't see her like they just arrange me and make me like the way stupid man could come and say, we won't make stone boy. Like, no, don't see her like that. Me, they don't make me. They create me. Somebody special person will create me. Nobody could feel make me. God will go feel make me. That's why God make me in front of your fucking faces. Everybody say what? Hey, no. See, those people when they talk, those entertainment people, it was when they talk like me brebisa. Cause si ani pa Robert na betra London say na what birthday gift a man girl. Cause si you £10,000 on na me. Wait, Jimo, when this cabe poor when you see, make I tell you something. You see me when I even sleep, say money they come my pocket. And they tell people make people understand. Say, rather than thing, you make magic. So you see that thing, unless people go beg God or beg see. Because me when I beg self, money if you can enter pockets. What pastor go tell you? He be here they tell you. Make you believe. Say me, you see this my pocket. When I sleep, money if you can enter. So they fight with nature. Make you a nature. Or what? What's here? Go check our phone nation. Go check shows we are charged $. Because here, where Jimmy? Where Jimmy was I now? Where Jimmy rough? Where Jimmy? Sa entertainment. I say you now. You people are pained. You people are going through pain. But man, forget everything. We know everybody. Yasami. We know everybody. That whole UTV squad. Bulldog, you know me, you know say me, I know him. Logic, you know me, you know say me, I know him. All my people, ask them, they will tell you. Ask Bulldog about who Shatta Wale be. They will tell you. I too fucking know myself. Ask Bulldog, he go tell you. Ask Mr. Logic, he go tell you. Everybody say that you play. People no feel sit down and say, so Sammy Flex, how come Sammy Flex is even working with this boy? Because Sammy Flex, God opened his eye to see something. God opened Sammy Flex in eye to watch something. God opened Sammy Flex in eye to realize something. So they there and see Sammy Flex like, what did they do? You go see Sammy Flex in result. This is the only guy if I talk to him now, I say like, wow, okay, cool. Let's see how it goes. Because some people can't do my body way. I don't know. Like, nigga, me see, ask Bulldog, before Bulldog go meet me, they make him, I collect. Ask Mr. Logic. Ask Mr. Logic. Say, when I give him money, make it go buy a car for me. When? Which year? Akwasi Aboagye. Only mkwafo nyina was I really see me see mu ma metwam. Who person who can say dey bia obi so we no ya despite ebe mu de. Enti me ma despite me person me can change say so me I like people where I go fit get motivation from. You understand me? But if despite if you saw he build in radio station, that's why despite said no get sense. Forget. How much money? Everybody go die. How much? What like, this one, nobody be rich, only God will rich. So if you get to something small, be proud and hold them well. Don't come and see somebody in top with that nonsense thing. The country where we did that way, rich man, if you say be rich man, because everybody they do some connection to make rich. They way politicians they live like superstar. If man the whole time is we more for I don't tell people. no go take the sense what I talk. Then you go see her like, oh, Shatta there, if you come. So you put one time say, this thing I do, you put no go see the, no go check the genesis on. And why is Shatta angry like this? Okay, let me just share. Oh, wow. Oh, they said this guy, Akwasi Aboagye, who is now Akwasi Aboagye of whatever FM, if it's whatever, is saying Shatta is lying because, oh no, that's bad. Come on, did he check? You see, anytime you vote, no say you vote for 1642, you know, day 2023. Don't say that like that. Anytime when you go vote, Ghana, for God's sake, they say when a PNDC law, the constitution or whatever, the 1992 constitution, that be what they use on us up to now. For God's sake, Charlie, we did 2023.